Hello, my name is Rahul Ram. I've recently been treated for due fistula. I had undergone a process called embolization, and the process of embolization was done by Dr. Nitin Dange. 3 years ago, I was diagnosed with central venous sinus thrombosis. After recovering from venous sinus thrombosis, I developed due fistulas inside my head, which was unbeknownst to me until very quite recently. During the regular MRI checkups, the doctor noticed blood flow voids inside my brain. He asked me to do a DSA test. After the DSA test, I came to know that there were two durative fistulas inside my head. He told us about the various way durative fistulas can be treated, but the best way according to the situation in my head was embolization process. He told us that the process is quite expensive and there may be a chance of reoccurrence of the durative fistulas inside the head. To the severity of the condition, there were two durative fistulas. The process was quite expensive and there was a chance of reoccurrence. We were very scared and we were searching for the best doctors we could find to do this procedure. Of course, it didn't take too long until we came across the name of Dr. Nitin Dange, because he was very well known, not just in Mumbai but outside the city for such kind of procedures. So we took an appointment for Dr. Nitin Dange in Ilavati Hospital. He told us that there would be two settings for treatment of durative fistulas. I was admitted a day prior to the treatment itself, and I was kept under observation. Many kind of doctors came and asked me all kinds of questions about my medical history, and various tests were done on me. So the next day was my operation. The doctor told us that the condition was quite severe in one side of the brain where which fistula was located, but he still managed to treat it quite successfully. I was admitted 3 days in the hospital after the treatment, and I was given medication on the right time. Everything was done in a very good manner, and 3 days later I was set up for another setting for the embolization process. That was done successfully too. So the next day I was discharged, and I had lost quite some weight in these hospital days, and I had started losing my hair just after the treatment itself. The doctor said that it was mainly due to a very high amount of radiation I have received during the process, and that the hairs would grow back. So a week later, my weight was started to increase, and my hair fall was stopping and gradually decreasing. After a week, we went for a follow-up to doctor, and he said the recovery is going great. And it's been a month since I was operated, and I'm feeling fine, and I have no issues at all. I've indulged myself into many kind of activities I used to do normally before the operation. My hairs are growing back, the scalp cover is growing back, the bald spot is decreasing, my weight is increasing. I'm very thankful to Dr. Nitin Dange and his team for doing everything in a proper way. I can get back into normal life. I've already started looking out for jobs again, and I'm very thankful to everyone that helped me in all these days. Thank you.